Irish guy here. Today we're going to make Ray's Pornstar Martini. Uses these liquors: X-rated fusion, liqueur, vanilla vodka, and we topped it off with a little bit of champagne. What we do first is we have a little bit of ice chilling our martini glass. Let's begin. We go with 1.5 ounces of X-rated fusion liqueur. Two parts of our vanilla vodka. Three-quarters ounce of pineapple juice. Put a little bit of ice in your shaker tin. We're going to use half a lemon. Give that a shake. Grab your Hawthorne strainer, dump your ice out, put a little bit of cherry juice in there from the jar, pop in your cherry, and top that with a little bit of champagne. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. Oh yeah. Ray again. So I really hope you enjoyed my video. What I wish you to do at this point is I wish you to subscribe. It's very important that you subscribe, and it is also very important that you comment. Throw a comment in there. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me what you think you need to improve on. Tell me how I can make this better. So I hope you check out another one of my videos. Check out my story if you wonder why I talk funny or why I do all the drinks with my left hand. Do me a favor, watch another one of my videos. Watch my story especially. Thank you, and I'll catch you later. Sláinte.